Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got.
We go Waimea Valley. There we go. Waimea Valley from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tuesday through Sunday. Closed on Mondays. Waterfall entrance. It's about the entrance of the trail is about 0.4 miles away from where you make a turn from the main road. So you can drive all through here and park at the valley. I think there's a fee for it, but I'm not sure. I'll let you know in a minute. Or you can leave your car parked on the beach parking and walk a half mile to the start of the trail. $20 for regular adult, $10 for military. Bring your ID and bring a mask, or you're also paying $10 for a mask. Okay, so we're here. Please store all your items and be dressed for swimming before standing in line to retrieve your life vest. Locker rentals are available for purchase if you need to. Well, this is not only just a waterfall, but it's also botanical gardens. It's beautiful. They maintain it really well. Check that out. Cool, huh? Oh, you can purchase some stuff here if you need. Bathing suits, towels. And you can grab get in line here to grab you have to use a life vest.
Reminder that cliff to my left has rocks which fall from it. So